What's going on, guys? Marcus Zara here, and man, I'm finally back. Haven't done a video in about a week, so I thought it was time for me to make another video. So why not now? Because there's a lot of things that's going on in the cryptocurrency space, which is good because the market cap is starting to increase. The market cap, as we can currently see, is at $403.4 billion dollars with a 24-hour volume of $40.4 billion dollars with a BTC dominance at 38.3%. And yeah, guys, so the market this last week had a nice run up. Prices started to gain as we could really see the market cap increase, right? The market cap been in the, about $320 billion range for, for about 2-3 weeks. Things was kind of stagnant, so it's good to see that the market as a whole is starting to increase, even though some of these prices, some of these altcoins has dropped in prices. As we can see, some cryptos are just down because it's in the red, right? Different percentage changes within the last day. And yeah, so is it a good time to buy some crypto? That's your decision to make. I just wanted to inform you guys that there are still cheap cryptocurrency that's out here. I think cryptocurrencies is going to have another a nice bull run, especially during the summertime. I believe summertime is coming up, so I think the market's just gonna bounce up and be in this nice bull run for quite some time, like we seen in 2017, where cryptocurrency had a nice bull run. A lot of people was getting in crypto in the summertime, so it might be a repeat of last year's scenario. So with that said, let's go ahead and go to TradingView. Look at the price of Bitcoin. I'm looking at the BTC chart, which is at the 30-minute time frame, and we could just see this momentum. So about April 17th, Bitcoin started to, increase in price, start to, have a nice little uptrend. As I go ahead and draw my trend line real quick, these different points, and it seemed like it got to its high peaks up here. So it seemed like it hit its highs at about $9,741. The price of Bitcoin, then it dropped back down to about, what was that? $8,704. So, about a little bit more than $1,000 price drop. But as you guys can see here, the price, jumped back up. So it's currently trading at about $9,217. So definitely keeping my eyes on the Bitcoin price, and not just Bitcoin. Like I said, I'm keeping my eyes on the whole marketplace as a whole, especially with altcoins, because like I said, I believe it's a bull run that's going to continue to develop moving forward. So that's why I'm really focused in the marketplace, because I do want to capitalize on these gains that's going to be offered to the people who are already in their position. So I really wanted to talk about this article right here. It just shows you like the importance of Bitcoin once again. Bitcoin is getting closer and closer to getting mined as a whole. There's about 17 million of a total of 21 million Bitcoins now mined, in a milestone for digital scarcity. In this article, it's a good article to read. Go ahead and go to Cointelegraph.com. I'm gonna have the link below so you guys can read this short article, and it just pretty much talking about the importance of this. And around a million milestone, 17 million Bitcoins have now been mined as of today, April 26th. They got this data from Satoshi.info, because of Bitcoin supply of 21 million, which really is not a lot, especially dealing with cryptocurrencies. A lot of cryptocurrencies, as far as like supply, really be high up compared to Bitcoin, right? You got different cryptocurrencies. As I could quickly go back to CoinMarketCap. So for example, Ethereum only has a circulating supply of 99 million. Ripple is at 39 billion. Bitcoin Cash is at 17 million, a little bit lower than Bitcoin, but Bitcoin Cash isn't Bitcoin in my opinion, even though people think it is. You got EOS is at 816 million. Then you have Cardano at 25 billion and Litecoin at 56 million. So you guys get the point that a lot of these cryptocurrency has a lot more supply compared to Bitcoin, right? And Bitcoin is the king of crypto, and that's why I love Bitcoin, because it's the first one to ever get started in this space and really got these other people creating their own cryptocurrencies and trying to build their own projects and things like that. So it just had this chain effect. So that's why I really like Bitcoin. And if you haven't already, I recommend you just buy a little bit of Bitcoin, just hold on to it, because I think in the future the price of Bitcoin is going to continue to increase. So, and especially with the mining of Bitcoin getting a lot slimmer, a lot slower. It's going to be a lot harder to mine Bitcoin. Miners used to receive about 12.5 BTC as a reward back in the data back in July 2016. So I don't know if they're still getting this much Bitcoin. So it might be a lot less, but either way, like I said, year after year, all the way to about 2,140, in that time, that's when the last Bitcoin is going to be mined. So it's gonna be a long time before all of it get mined, but it's just getting closer and closer. And I believe this is going to really increase the price of Bitcoin, because we all seen the price of Bitcoin get as high as $20,000 for one Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is only trading at $9,255. So Bitcoin is still cheap in my opinion. So do your own research, do your own due diligence. I'm gonna have the link below of TradingView so you guys can sign up. I'm gonna have the link to this article so you guys can read at it, look at it, and share it with your friends and things like that, because this is an important day. Just being able to get the data of Bitcoin, the stats that, how much Bitcoin is really out there. It's really not that much. It's only 4 million Bitcoin that just haven't been mined yet. So with that said, give this video a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs down. All feedback is good feedback. And yeah, guys, leave a comment below if you have any questions. Have a good one.